Alright, morning guys. We're out here with the S.E.5a.
Throttle enabled.
Um,
Have a nice flight.
amid the sprinkles. It's kind of sprinkling a little bit, but
Elevator rate high.
we'll give it a run.
Elevator rate low.
And we're up. Oh, it's nice and calm today too, so perfect weather to fly this airplane. Although it's raining. The bugs are out. The timer set for 5 minutes seems to be perfect for these little 1300s that I'm running in it. It's not supposed to rain much today, so hopefully this is gonna go away. I'd like to fly some other airplanes today. Little loop. Well, half Cuban 8. This is on low rates, so it's pretty docile.
3 minutes.
Nice and smooth today. A lot of people just throw these planes around. Not a whole lot of aero for me. Yeah. And again, that's on low rates. I should, before I start throwing it around, I should take it up to high so I have a little more control, but which maybe I will.
High rates.
Alright, let's see what we can do here again. That's better. A little waggle there in the tail, but even on high rates it doesn't have a whole lot of roll rate, but that's alright. I mean, it flies very scale. I like that.
Low rates.
1 minute.
You know, now that it's raining a little harder, I think I might want to bring it in. And the wind changed directions, of course, so what I will do is take a walk down here.
30 seconds.
See if I can bring her in nice and smooth. That's the real trick.
20 seconds. Elevator rate high. seconds.
Throttle disabled.
9 times out of 10 you end up like that in this grass, but it's soft, so never really hurts it. And I think I'm going to get under shelter. See ya.